guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. So today's lesson we're looking at finding the 10th term if sum of terms is n squared plus 4n. Before we get into this, let me remind you, when we talk of sum of terms, sum 1 or sum of the first term is t1. When you look at sum of the first two terms, is basically equal to t1 plus t2, and we have said t1 is s1, right? When you look at sum of the first three terms, it'll be term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3, which is, remember what we had said, t1 plus t2 was s2 plus term 3. Let's look at sum of the first four terms, which is term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3 plus term 4. Look at it. What did we say about sum of the first three terms? We had said it is sum of the first three. Now this means sum of the first four terms is sum of the first three terms plus the four terms, right? So now you have an idea. If we say sum of the first three terms, we will basically be saying sum of the first four, will be saying it is equal to sum of the three plus the fourth term. In other words, we can generalize this and say, if we want to know sum of, say, k terms, we can say it is equal to sum of k minus 1 plus term k, right? So check this out. You are looking for sum of the first four terms. Where does k you put 4? Sum of the first four terms would be sum of the 4 minus 1, which is sum of the 3, plus the fourth term. Okay, generally. Now let me show you how to answer this question. So we are given, let me go back, we are given Sn equals n squared plus 4n. We know if we want to find term 10, we will say sum of the first 10 terms equals sum of the first 9 plus the 10th term. It's easy to find sum of the 10 and sum of the 9. How? Where does n you put 10? Where does n you put 9? Let's see. Because we are given an equation for s of n. So we say 10 squared plus 4 into 10 equals 9 squared plus 4 into 9 plus 10th term, right? So we say this is 140, right? This is 140, and this is 81 plus 36, right? 81 plus 36, I think it's 117. I don't know what I was pressing. 9 squared plus 4 into 9. Okay, 117 plus t10. So 140 minus 17, this implies t10 is equal to what? It is equal to 23, right? This implies t10 is equal to 23. Alright guys, we are done. See you next time. Bye bye.